My name is Christine. I am 29 years old and I live in this apartment in Copenhagen with my boyfriend. Well, it's a two-story apartment in a villa, 72 square meters, kitchen, bathroom, main area, and then a bedroom on the second floor. I moved in around 8 months ago. Before I moved in, I kind of looked at the possibilities to get more air and light into the apartment because especially the second floor was a bit dark. I really wanted a balcony in this apartment, but due to that I live close to the roof, it's not really possible. But then I saw that VELUX actually had this cabrio, which is a window you can open up and then it turns into a balcony. And I just knew immediately that I wanted that. It's just a perfect combination of window and balcony. So I decided to do 2 windows, one cabrio and then one fixed window with an open top. It took around 3 weeks to finish the project. I think it was actually on the second and third day they had already opened up. First the kitchen, which was a big surprise. I didn't realize how much that would actually mean for the kitchen. And then I went upstairs and it was just wow. You could already tell that this is going to change the room, both in matter of light, but also that you get these extra 20 centimeters over here. Every day we open up both the blinds and the windows to get light and fresh air in. And I go outside to drink a glass of wine or eat breakfast in the weekends with my boyfriend. And sometimes I get a chair and just sit and read a book. This is actually the most positive thing about my window project because I didn't realize how much impact it would do to the kitchen. This area in the kitchen was actually the darkest in the apartment. You can always turn on the light, but it's not the same. It's just a window, but it feels like a whole new area. We love to cook and we love to have friends over, family, and I use it when I work from home because the light is really good. For me, a good apartment is a place where you feel relaxed and at home and you have a great indoor atmosphere because you spend so much time in your home that you want it to be just like you want it to be.